Hello dears, today we are starting our new chapter, okay? Chapter for perimeter, area and volume, okay? Perimeter, area and volume. So this perimeter, area and volume we will study separately, okay? First we will study perimeter. So what is mean by perimeter? What is perimeter? We already learned a basic thing about the perimeter in the previous year, isn't it? Previous year we learned a basic, only a basic thing, okay, about this perimeter. So we will this year we will study some more details about the perimeter, okay. So what do you mean by perimeter? It is actually the total length around a closed figure, okay. For example, I am taking a figure like this way, okay. Suppose it is a rectangle, so it has a length, okay, this was a length, actually. So these are the length of what a length or measurements of what this rectangle, okay. So the total length around, total length, okay, total measurements around this figure is called what? The perimeter, okay. Perimeter in Malayalam it is ചുറ്റളവ്, ചുറ്റുമുള്ള അളവ്, മൊത്തത്തിൽ ചുറ്റുപാടുമുള്ള അളവ്. For example, if you are fencing, around our what compound, in our homes we already have, isn't it, walls, there is fencing is there, isn't it, fencing. So how can we find out the perimeter around it? We need to measure the length of it, understand? If our home is there, okay, this is our home, okay. So if we want to fence this our home, that means നമുക്ക് ഇതിന് ചുറ്റും വേലി കെട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ we need to measure the length of this wall, isn't it? That is called the perimeter, ചുറ്റുമുള്ള അതിന്റെ അളവ്, okay. So here now we are going to study about what the perimeter of different things. That means first we will study about a rectangle. How can we find out? There is an equation is used to find out the perimeter of what a rectangle, understand? So how can we find out the perimeter of rectangle? Okay, we all know that a rectangle is like this way, okay. So what are the properties belongs to this rectangle, or what we know about the rectangle? The rectangle has four sides. Its opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal, okay. The opposite sides are equal in what a rectangle. Suppose I am calling this as length of what a rectangle. This part is the length. I am representing length by L. Length. This is also what length. Why? If it is 5 centimeter, this opposite side is also 5 centimeter. That is the property of rectangle. Understand? So these opposite sides are equal. So this is length means this is also length. This is breadth. BD. Neetom BD. Okay. Neetom BD. It's length opposite. Isn't it? Opposite. Length. This is L means this is also length. This is breadth. Suppose this is 3 centimeter. Then this is also what? 3 centimeter. Understand? So I represent L, B there. Instead of L, I can write anything. That means any measurement. 5 centimeter. If it is 5 means this is also 5. If it is 4 means this is also 4. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Okay, so L, B. We can see 2 L's and 2 B here. Now we are going to study about an equation. Very important. Okay, this equation is very important. So 2L is there, 2B is there. 2L is there, 2B is there. How many L's? 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, how many L's? 1, 2. 2 L's. How many B's? 2 B's. So we can write to find out the perimeter of this rectangle. We need to add the length, this length plus this breadth, plus this length plus this breadth. Understand? Is it correct? We have to add this all easily. How many lengths are we need to add? We need to add this length and this length. That means we need to add L plus L and this B plus B. Am I correct? Isn't it? I have to add this length and this length, this breadth and this breadth. Understand? Then only I will get the water. Hey, this is perimeter of this rectangle. So I need to add how many L's? L plus L. How many L is there? 2L plus how many B's? 1B plus second B. That means 2B. Isn't it? How many B's are there? 2 B's. L plus L, 2L. B plus B, 2B. How many B's? 2 B's. Okay, now next thing very important. Here in mathematics, one thing is that we can take a common from something. Common. So what is common here? Here you can see that 2l plus 2b. What is common in this here? After addition you can see 2, isn't it? Here 2l plus 2b. So in 2l and 2b, what is common? 2 is common. 2 is common. Okay. In 2l and 2b, what is common? 2 is common. So I am taking 2 from here. This equation, this side, and 2 from this side also. So what is remaining there? What is remaining there? It is what? L. In this equation, what is remaining? L is remaining. Here, what is remaining? B is remaining. Okay, listen here. I am taking 2 from here. Okay, so that is common for this 2 is common for this L and B. This 2 is common for L and B. So 2 I took. Now remaining. What is remaining there? L plus what? Here what is remaining? മിച്ചമുള്ള എന്താണ്? B. Isn't it? I took a 2. ഞാൻ 2 ഇവിടുന്ന് എടുത്തു, രണ്ടിൽ നിന്നും രണ്ടിടത്തും കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ള എന്താ 2 ആണ്. So I took this 2 from both sides. Okay, that is I took. Okay, and I put the remaining things, that is L is remained here. Okay, you just forget about this 2. What are the remaining things? Here L and here is B. So I wrote L plus B. Okay, so this is actually this, in this way we are right. This is simply we can find out 2 into L plus B. Okay, to find out the perimeter of a rectangle we have to do that one already. Understand? This is actually simplified form. We don't need to add 2L plus 2B. Just write 2 into L plus B. Then we will get the answer. Okay, so this is the way we are finding the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, one more thing. If we are having measurement, how will it, this is the equation, this is the actually how we are getting equation. I just explained how we are comes to this equation. We have to, when a question is there, for example, if you are having a rectangle and its measurement is given. For example, it is given as the breadth of the rectangle is 5 centimeter. So breadth means here 5 centimeter, here also 5 centimeter. Okay, and like this 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. We don't need to drawing this one but a rectangle. You don't need to draw this rectangle. If we having L is equal to 6 centimeter and B is equal to 5 centimeter. That's all here. We need this only to find out what a perimeter of a rectangle. What we have to write? P is equal to 2 into L plus B. We know this equation. We know this equation. This equation last is only we needed. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Now we have to write 2 into what is L? 6. What is B? 5. Okay. And in mathematics, one thing is needed. You have to do that. Don't go for what? How we have to do this one? First, 2 into. This means as 2 into 2 multiply. Okay. 2 into. Here first you have to add the things in the bracket. Understand? Don't go for the multiplication first. First you have to do the things in the this bracket. So 6 plus 5, what do you get? 11. This means that 2 into 11. Okay, here one multiplication sign is there. We are not putting it in because anything something we are writing on this bracket, outside of the bracket is multiplied. Okay, so 2 into 11. What will answer? 2 into 11? 22. We will get 22 centimeter. Okay, that is the answer. So first, if you are getting a L and B, write this equation and put that values inside this one. You can see that our equation is 2 into L plus B. 2 is constant. Okay, 2 is constant. That means we don't need to write any value for 2. 2 into what is L? L is 6 is given. 5. B is 5. Then add the things inside the bracket. 2 into 6 plus 5 will get 6 plus 5 is 11. Then multiply with after that we have to multiply with 2. First you do the things in the bracket, then multiply with 2. Okay, like that. If L is given as 10 centimeter, B is 7 centimeter. How can we find it? 2 into L plus B. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. And how can we find it? 2 into what is L? 10. What is B? 7. So 2 into what is 10 plus 7? 70. Understand? So understand? 2 into 10 plus 7 is 70. So 2 into 17, what is the answer? 34. This way you have to find out. Okay, I hope that Now how it is clear about the rectangle, how to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, so those who are doubt, this part you are studying as no, so you have to watch it again. Okay, how it is good, I explained it. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. Okay, dear, so that is about the perimeter of rectangle. Now we have to study about square and triangle, that I will give on the next video. Okay, dear, thank you.